long does it take to clean a 20 megawatts floating PV power plant? Today we will test that 3 operators control PhiCleaner. Clean 20 megawatts floating PV plants. PhiCleaner has low-weight design, and the roller brushes are detachable, making it easy to carry or move. Solve the problem of moving equipment of PV power plants cleaning. For this time cleaning, we will use 5 sets PhiCleaner to work simultaneously. PhiCleaner's roller brush covers PV panels at one time. SCTC decorrection technology ensures straight-line cleaning. 2 operators move the robots and 1 operator controls the water pipe. 3 operators can manage 5 sets PhiCleaner working simultaneously. Greatly improve cleaning efficiency. If it is manual or remote-controlled equipment cleaning, it will not be possible to achieve one person control multiple equipment's operation. It takes 3 professional cleaners, 120 days to clean 20 megawatts floating PV power plants. But it only takes 5 days for 3 operators to operate PhiCleaner.